I look forward to students. Jake is always yes sir, no sir. Jake is always on time. Jake always asks me, Mr. Hart, I need me to do something for you. What can I do before I leave? And he's always leading his section with integrity. Never asking him to do something that he's not willing to do himself or have already done. But Jake also has exploded very messy, in his personality this past year, at least what I see of Jake. He's completely become a verbose person. Very open with his friends, very affirming in the friendships that he makes. And he has a really cool trick he can do with plungers. He'll have to show you that. Jazz band knows what I'm talking about.
Oh no.
But Jake has been an incredible leader. I wrote it down, a responsible student. No, he has. And I've told you, Jake, before. And like I said before, he's been a pillar of this program. And the best thing I think about this whole deal of going through these seniors is that we're only halfway through the year. I still get the whole rest of the year with him. And you guys get the whole rest of the year with him as well to experience all these things and all the benefits they have to offer. Thank you, Jacob. Trenton Motor. Let's go, Trent. Trent in Orchestra convert. Woo! I remember Trent saying, "Hey, I want to do something with band, Mr. Hart. I know right where to put you." And he filled that spot incredibly well. And that's something that, especially small programs, we just don't have players of Trent's caliber, especially when we're bringing in across the board and having string players join us on our MPAs and such. But it's very easy to get excited with the students' skills and responsibilities and overlook the amount of work it took for that student to get there. And Trent is an extremely gifted bass player and extremely gifted tuba player and an extremely gifted baritone player and extremely gifted jazz bass player and extremely talented drum major But Trent is a great leader, even if he does have a very sensitive gag reflex. We won't hold that. He always gets the job done, even if he's having a rough day, even if he has a massive headache, even if he's not feeling very well. Trent's here. And he sets his priorities and he takes his commitments seriously. And that has made him, yet again, another part of this program, a pillar and an asset of the program. Kira, all 4 years she's been here, she's always been able to balance all of her many responsibilities, but yet somehow, I don't know how, keep band a priority and understanding that every time she comes to me to tell me to cheer practice, she's ready for whatever spot I'm going to give her, which changes on a daily basis. But she's been able to balance not just cheer, varsity cheerleading, and band, but she's also taken on the huge task, pretty much these past 3 years I know, of helping, first off, helping with the uniform, and then completely being responsible for nearly everything that goes on. Every button that falls off, every pants that need to be hemmed, every staff shirt that needs to be emergency embroidered. Akira has taken care of like that. And there's not many band programs that have students that can take care of those things. And we're very, very lucky to have her with us. And the cool thing about Akira too that for every holiday and my birthday, she brings